this occasion, simply I want to say that feel proud to be an Indian. Usually I teach in the class, India is the Jagat Guru. We are the teacher for the world. Yesterday, when you are coming in the car, just we talk to each other. A small joke. It's a joke, that's it. In the Western countries, in the rest of the countries, God may send His Son to the world, or God may send the messenger. But in India, God Himself born. Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Veer, Guru Nanak became a huge inspiration to the world. That is India. India invented zero. Without zero, can you imagine mathematics? Without zero, can you imagine the computers, what we are enjoying, all the things, what is that happening around us, can we? That is this land. We feel proud to be Indian. And today, I'm extremely happy. The only reason Buddhism is a philosophy, a part and parcel of Indian culture and civilization. We sent Buddha to the world. That philosophy injected and followed and lived the life in peaceful way. The greatest Buddhist monk who stepped into our school and our institutions today. One thing is real. Where is the pious people, spiritual awakening people run around, walk around, it will be flourished. It will be charged with the positivity. Today, that thing will be happening here. And my dear parents, thank you very much for coming here. Here, my dream is to make each and every child like Swami Vivekananda. That is my sole aim. Education is not meant for simply reading a book and by hearting some questions and writing the exam. I never ever support that. Something beyond we can do that. It has no limitations. What I feel is we are not really a computer or not really a memory card. Our memory is something before. We have to give the work for it. So in my school, I only used to teach this to my child, all my children. I tell my children, pray, don't blindly by heart anything. Develop leadership skills. Develop. There is no should be strange fear. Speak in front of hundreds of people with a confidence. Don't by heart anything blindly. What is in your heart? What you feel in your heart? Just express. So just expose. That's it. It's enough. And now you are going to be experienced what exactly happening here. I hate English because they ruled us. I don't like English. I hate every day I'm cursing the English. Am I in the class or not? In the class I'm cursing this. Every day first I stop in the class and first I curse English and start the class. But in this globalized world, if we want to get a tough competition, we require English communication skills. At first I have some wealth here, some knowledge here, where it is not available in the world. How do I express and how do I expose? For example, the Sri Lankan monk came here. We were communicating each other. If I don't know the language of English, can I express what the India is here? Can I? No. For that purpose, I require English communication skills as well as my children do. My dear children, you all should learn English excellently. In addition, learn your culture, learn about this land, and know about your motherland greatness. Tell this greatness to the world. Use this English as a media. For that purpose, English is required. That's it. So much of knowledge is here. Vedas, whatever the question simply come from the human mind. Answers will be given always in the Vedas and the Upanishads and Gita. But our faith is, I don't know what the faith, the culture is decaying, we are forgetting. Just I'm trying, reminding us of God's destiny. At least in my school, my dear parents, in my school, generally reading a Telugu poem is very difficult. Today in the generation, take from Mahabharata or Ramayana, it's Sanskrit, small, even, don't talk about the Sanskrit, even small Telugu poem, if I give, we are unable to read. Even the degree student, PG student, whoever, even complete studies, even as the teachers we fail to read. But here, I am trying to teach our children Vedas, which are very tough to pronounce, which are very tough to recite, which are very tough to even, we can't, our tongue not supports. But our children pronounce very well, and you are going to be witnessed for that. What I did for 6 months duration the day, now you are going to be witnessed. So, I don't want to make you bored. So, my children will speak now.